Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I am here at Lake Elementary School in Oceanside, California, home of the Dolphins, part of the Vista Unified School District. Just got done sharing my heart for a first time this school year on campus here in the MPR for the students and staff, a part of the after school program, the AM/PM. And it was another amazing day, just getting to, speak from the heart and hopefully touch a small piece of theirs, right? And the main topic, like one of the slides you see on the screen, was all about citizenship, right? Not just here at school, but in our home and in our community, right? Basically anywhere that we go, we can be great citizens for this world. And so we kind of brainstormed what it means to be a great citizen, had some really cool answers, was very proud of the students for, just telling me how they felt, whether it's taking care of the planet, whether it's following the rules, listening to instructions, whether it's just helping someone or even just being a friend, right? And then we kind of elevated the presentation to focus more on the little acts of kindness, right? That the couple seconds it takes to uplift someone or to tear them down. We showed experiential exercise too, where, in just about 20, 30 seconds was able to motivate some of the students that participated to go even farther, right, than they thought they could. And if it only takes me 30 seconds, think about the difference you can make in someone's life over a whole school year. And so it comes back to time. It's the greatest gift that you can give someone. And it's something that we can never get back, right? But if you give your time, to another person or a group of people, it's the most precious thing that you can do. And knowing that these little acts of kindness, these little acts of love can start to have a ripple effect and create a profound change in the hearts of people around us, it also changes us too. It feels good to give. It feels good to go and do something nice for someone. And the students really took that to heart. And so it's always encouraging for me to know that our young people are kind of picking up that torch to be the change, to want to change this world in a positive aspect and really be those 100% friends that we talked about, right? That we're not just friends with someone when it's convenient for us or a certain percentage of the time, but 100% of the time, that we look to include everyone, right? And then we also focused on, thinking about our passions, what we love to do, what we're good at, our gifts, our talents, our abilities, using those to go help others, but also having that internal fire and that desire to want to help, right? And then once we have that, now it's up to us to actually go do it, right? We can talk all we want, say, I want to be kind, I want to show respect, I want to show compassion, but unless our actions and our words match that, unless we actually go out and really try to look for opportunities to be those amazing citizens, then it doesn't really matter, right? So it all comes down to the heart. That's where everything starts, right? The peace, the love, the citizenship. And now we can, have this chance each and every day, right? To look for moments where we can make a lasting impact on someone else. So thanks for touching my heart. Another beautiful day here at Lake. I'll be back again 2 more times this school year. Until then, want to hear some great reports about how you're being amazing citizens for this earth that I know you're very capable of being. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button. You'll see it pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.